Give it to me.
How to use Browse AI to monitor Crypto Whales wallets. First, access the Browse AI dashboard using Google Chrome. Select Monitor Site Changes. To track a page, you need to enter its URL. You can track any wallet you want. You can find many whale wallets on Twitter, but you can also use the whale section on the bank website. Once you decided which wallet you want to track, go to the History tab and copy that URL. Go back to the Robook, paste your link and press Start Recording Task. This will open the page in Browse AI interface. Go to the robot and select Capture Text. Now you can select which text you want to monitor. All the new trades that this whale will make will appear in this column. That's what we want to monitor. Select Capture Visible Text on the last 4 trades. After selecting all the text you want, hit Enter and name each section, then go to the robot and press Finish Recording. Lastly, you can name your bot and select how often it will refresh the data. Done. Now you will receive email notifications whenever there is a new trade on that wallet. Browse AI enables easy data scraping and monitoring. Use it to stay updated, make timely decisions, and potentially profit from various opportunities. Remember to exercise caution and understand the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading.